Now we discuss from Maths 5B workbook, page 45 until 54. Now we discuss page 45 from Maths 5B workbook. It's chapter 11 about average. This one, practice one. If average, you see there are how many class? 1, 2, 3, ABC. So equal 3 class. So it means 3 groups. And then you just plus this. 38 bin plus 34 bin plus 39 equal total how many? Total how many? And then the total bin divided by 3. The answer is 37. So this one is still the easiest one. Ini paling mudah. Kamu tinggal plus aja semuanya berapa, total number of pupils, and then divide by class. Okay, so you get the answer. Next, this one, the table shows amounts 6 shoppers spends at a department store. How much did each shopper spend on average? Shoppernya ada berapa? How many groups? A, B, C, D, E, F equal to 6 group. Ada 6 group. Amount, so you make total of the amount. Ditambahin semua amountnya ada berapa, and then divide by 6 groups. So the total is here. 173 $173.50. Kecil. Beda lagi. Ntar I cek semua, kumpulin PR-nya, ntar I cek. Iya, turun ke belakang, turun. Ini kan 1 hour, ini kan 2 hour kan, Cak? Nah, ini tinggal masukin time-nya. Time-nya di sini. 10 minutes. Nah, gitu. Tinggal ini dikurang 25 kurang 10 taruh sini. 25 menit dikurang 10 menit, berarti 15 kan? Nah, itu 7.15 gitu. Minum airnya yang banyak supaya nggak sakit. Okay, next page 46, halaman 46. Okay, number 3. The table shows the water consumption for 6 households in a particular month. What was the average water consumption for the households in the month? We count the household. How many? A, B, C, D, E, F until F. So it means 6. 6 household, it means 6 groups. Ada 6 group. And then water consumption, you have to make it the total of water consumption. Water consumptionnya di plus semuanya. From 16.9 until 13.5. Ya, meter cubic itu kamu plus semuanya. Ya. This one the total is water consumption 105 divided by 6 equal this. Ya, this answer. Okay? Okay. Now next page. Ya, halaman berikutnya ya. Halaman berikutnya, the next number, masih halaman yang sama ya. Number 4. Ya. The table shows the masses of 5 newborns. Ya, find their average mass. Name. Ya, name-nya ada 5 anak. So in 5 groups. Jadi 5 grup. Ya. Mass-nya tambahin semuanya from 3.88 kg until 2.85 kg. Yeah, you just plus all, and then plus all is 17.39 being divided by 5 equal 3.478 kg. Ya, poinnya jangan lupa harus ditulis poin. So 3.478 kg. Now this answer. Okay. Next page 400. Next page 47. Ya. Sekarang halaman 47. Ya. This one. The average number of goals scored by a football team in a match was 4. The team played a total of 22 matches. What was the total number of goals scored by the team? 22 times 4 equal to 88. Ya. Ada 4 tim. Ya. Ada sebentar ya. The average number of goals scored by a football team in a match was 4. Oke. Artinya ada 22 match ya. Ya, ada 22 match. Satu match itu nilainya 4. Ya, satu match itu nilainya 4. Jadi 22 dikali 4. 22 times 4 equal to 88. Oke. Sekarang next number 6 ya. The average length of the sides of a triangular plot of land is 8.5 meter. What is its perimeter? Ya, perimeter itu garis tepi, garis yang di luar. Ya, kalau if triangle has 3 sides, ya, segitiga ada 3 sisi. Jadi sisinya ada 3, kamu kalihin, ya. 8.5 times 3 equal 25.5. Ya. So the answer is 25.5 meter. This one should be in here. 2, yeah. Meters square, yeah. Oops. And then this, yeah. Next number 7. There were 48 pieces in carton. The average mass of all the pieces was 0.17 kg. What was their total mass? Nah, ini dikali, di times ya. 0.17 times by 48 equal 8.16. Ya, 8.16 in kg. Okay. Next page We go to page 48. Ya, kita ke halaman 48. Ya, kita ke halaman 48. Sekarang nomor 8. Rina sat for several tests and scored a total of 360 marks. Her average score was 72 marks. How many tests did Rina sit for? Ada berapa? Ya, jadi ini kalau ditanya how many tests kan dia kasih tahu totalnya. Totalnya terus ditanya tesnya berapa. So you should divide. Ya. 360 divide by 72 equal to 5. So the answer is 5 for number 8. Yeah. Next, number 9. Yeah. A group of children had a total mass of 132 kg. The average mass of a child was 33 kg. How many children were there in the group? So you just divide. Ya, because dia tanya how many children, ada berapa children in the group. Ya, so 132 divided by 3 equal 4. So the answer is 4 children. Next, number 10. Ya, an average of 205 people visited an exhibition in one day. A total of 1,230 people visited the exhibition. How many days did the exhibition last? It means divide 1,230 divided by 205 equals to 6. So the answer is 6 days. Okay. Then we go to the next page, page 49. Okay. Now we discuss page 49. Yeah. Number 11. The bar graph shows the number of e-books downloaded from a public library over the last 4 years. Ya, jadi ada 4 years. 4 years-nya itu groups. Ya, jadi ada 4 groups. Ya, this one bin plus. This one how many? Sorry, I cannot see it. This one how many? Make it total. Ya, so make it total equal how many, and then bin divide by 4. Ya, jadi kalian semuanya tambahin totalnya ada berapa, lalu divide by 4 groups. So the answer is this. Yeah. Okay. Next page, 50. This one. Number 12. The bar graph shows the number of durians sold by a stall over 5 days. Ya, berarti ada 5 grup. 5 days, it means 5 groups. Ya. Make it the total, ditambahin semuanya. Habis ditambahin semuanya, habis itu dibagi 5. Ya, dibagi 5 sama dengan the total is 280 divided by 56. 280 divided by 5 equal to 56. So the answer is 56. Now page 51. Yeah. The line graph shows the sales of a 24-hour convenience store over 4 weeks. Yeah. So you just plus them. This one how many. But you should remember ya, this one 50,000 until 60,000. This one how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines. Ya. This pair is 60,000 minus by 50,000 equal to 10,000. 10.000. Bedanya 10.000 dibagi 5. Karena ini ada 5 line dibagi 5. Jadi one line is 2,000. Satu line ini difference-nya 2,000. Ya, bedanya 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000. Ya, so this one is 50,000, 52,000, 54,000, 56,000, 58,000 until 60,000. Jadi semuanya harus ditambahin. Ya, totalnya berapa? Habis itu di divide by 4. Karena ada 4 groups, so you have to divide by 4 groups. So the answer is this. Ya. 49,000 ya answernya. Oke. Next page. The line graph shows the haze index recorded over 5 days in a particular country. Ya. Berarti sama caranya seperti tadi. Hitung dulu line-nya berapa. Spare-nya itu di divide sama berapa line. Ya. Ini the spare is 20. Divide how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 20 divide by 4 equal to 5. Berarti satu line ini nilainya 5. Ya. Totalin ada berapa? Ya. Oke. Jawabannya ini 545 divide by 5 equal to 109. Oke, answernya ini. Next. Ya. Apa tadi? Now page 53. 3 teams athletes took part in a charity run. For every kilometer each team completed, a sum of $25 was donated to the charity. The table below shows the number of kilometers completed by the athletes in each team. Ya, timnya ada ABC, berarti 3 tim. Di sini ada 3 tim. Ya. Tapi number of athletes-nya kamu harus tambahin semua. So the total, you should make the total first. And then total number of kilometer juga ini harus di plus. Ya, sama dengan berapa ini? Ya, ini berapa totalnya? 114 ya. Harus itu di times 25. Tapi ini nanti kita discuss ya. Ya. Question A. How much money was collected for the charity? Ada berapa uang yang di collected buat charity-nya? Berarti total charity-nya 114. Ya. Tapi kan tadi dia bilang a sum of $25 was donated to the charity. Berarti dikali 25. 114, ini 114 times 25 equal to $1,850 ya. Jangan lupa tulis dollarsnya ya, seperti ini ya. Habis itu B, what was the average distance completed by each athlete? Ya, berapa? Kalau ini average berarti kalian harus divide. Ya. Divide-nya ini total kilometernya 114 divide by people equal how many? So the answer is this. 7.125 kilometer. Oke. So we go to the next page, page 54. Page 54. Page 54. Yeah. The table below shows the standing broad jump results of 20 pupils. Ya. Jadi di total aja semua distance girl. Ini semuanya harus di plus, ya. Totalnya ada berapa? Distance of the girls. Girlsnya juga harus di plus, ada berapa girls. And then the total how many boys, how many distance of the boys, ya. Ini semuanya. Ya. Lalu pertanyaannya yang the question A, what was the average distance of the girls jumped? Ya, berapa banyak girlsnya yang jump? Ya, berarti the total distance of the girl, ya. Berarti yang ini total distance of the girl divide by how many girls, ya. What was the average? Ini jawabannya sebentar ya, Miss Esther cek dulu. Oke, sekarang we go back to A ya, the question A. What was the average distance of the girls jump? Jadi the total of the distance divided by how many girls? So the answer is 151 cm. Okay, next. B. The average distance of the boys jump was 178.4. Find the total distance all the boys jump. Yeah. So how many boys? This one if the average, so this one times it. Jadi ini kalian times ya. Ya. Jadi di times 178.4 dikali 10 ya, times 10 ya, so equal to this the answer. Karena B nya itu the average distance of the boy, jadi satu boy lompatnya 178.4 cm. There are 10 boys, ada 10 boys, jadi dikali 10 ya. So the answer is the total 1784 cm. Okay, next C ya. Find the average distance of all the pupils jump. Yang girls sama boys di plus, lalu di divide by 20 karena ini ada 20 boys and girls ya. So the answer is this. Okay.